So we're talking about a weight which we have given, which is set according to your average. Let's say it's an average of this class, of this audience, to all the lectures you wish to see. Let's say that you're about to give me, this will happen at the end of the session, a grade from 1 to 10. You have to give me a grade from 1 to 10 for each element. Let's say I'm just playing with the numbers. I'm just giving it some figures. Grades which represent your average. Now I'll take the result. I'll multiply the weight by the grade. So for example here, 8 times 0.2, 1.6, 2.8. If I'm wrong, correct me. And then we have 6 times 4, 24, 2.4. If I'm going to add these numbers together now, okay, I have 6.8. Again, if I'm wrong, correct me. 6.8 is a result which doesn't mean a lot at the moment, which you as a group, if we have done that, let's just playing with the numbers again, you would have allocated to me. This does not have any meaning so far. But if you are to give grades from 1 to 10 to another lecturer, which has to lecture finance or maybe marketing in another session, let's say consumer behavior or marketing communication, and you were to give him grades as well, you can say, just playing with the numbers, you have given these figures. Again, I will multiply the weight, which is a standard, given by experts or given by the target audience, depends on the market, multiplied by the result, by the grade. So you have allocated 7 times 0.2, let's write here 1.4, 9 times 0.4, 3.6, and then 7 times 0.4, 2.8. If I have to add again these numbers, I'm coming to 6.8. And again, if I'm wrong, correct me. I'm wrong probably. 7.8. Okay. 7.8 is the grade of the other lecturer, which means overall, quantitatively, that the level of competitiveness here, mine, in this figures, with these figures, is lower. You can even say by as many percentages. So overall, this lecture is doing better in your eyes. We're competing, okay? And he's doing better. So first of all, first statement, you can realize out of that, what is the level of competitiveness? Secondly, you can realize the differences between the grades. Where am I better? Where am I to improve? In my case, here I'm better, and that's the only issue. Where I'm better, according to you, let's say, know-how. The other lecturer is better. He has another attitude which you prefer. He's more communicative. Okay. If I have to now to promote myself and talk to you in the next few breaks, I'll tell you, listen, let's be friends. Let's invite you for a beer. Let's go and have a coffee later. I'll be more communicative during class. I'll approach you more. Let's do that. I'll approach you more, talking to you. Maybe more jokes are necessary. I'll be more communicative. And then in the next break or in the next day, as we meet tomorrow, obviously again, you won't imagine, but this will change. This stays the same. What might change? The grades here, and then the results there, and then the level of competitiveness here will be higher. On the other hand, the other lecturer is good at attitude and communication. He's communicative according to your perception. He has to know that. He has to know that in order to even improve, to further improve on one hand, and then again, he has to know why he is appreciated as less knowledgeable, or his know-how sounds different, or is perceived differently in your eyes. This is called, again, critical success factor, This is a model called CSF. This is a quantitative way to analyze competition. We just realized before we saw a qualitative way to analyze competition. We just saw this direct, indirect competition, and even if you can, speak about potential or future competition. This is all about competitive analysis.